and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a beautiful picture using leftover paint and pencil shavings. What? Pencil shavings? Yes, a beautiful Cinderella picture using pencil shavings. So I started by dabbing some pink paint onto my paper like this using a sponge. If you don't have a sponge, then you can also use a paintbrush. But sponge gives a nice texture. So I'm using a sponge that's why. Sponge takes a little bit of longer than using a paintbrush. So if you don't want to use a sponge, you can use a paintbrush. So I'm using my pink and purple leftover paint. So I'm just dabbing them in like that. I'm blending sort of with the sponge. Like that. With pink I'm dabbing on top of that to just blend it a little slightly. After that's dry, take a Cinderella picture and just kind of put some Fevicol and just glue it onto the page. If you don't have a printer, then you can just draw your own Cinderella and stick it. You don't have to draw Cinderella, like you can draw whatever you want to draw. Now take the pencil shavings and just stick it onto the dress. Yeah, so guys, these pencil shavings will give a really pretty texture. So don't throw away your pencil shavings. They will come in handy to make gorgeous, beautiful pictures. So yeah, so we just have to stick it on this. And then this Cinderella's dress is gonna have a really pretty texture. If you want, you can stick it onto the shoes. But I thought that will be way too difficult. So that's why I did not. This takes a little bit of patience and time, but you would be able to do it. So I'm just sticking it up. I'm just adding them where you have smaller things like that side where you can just break it. You don't have to make it exact. So if you're doing something like I am, then you can just break it to get the small pieces up. So yeah, I'm just sticking all of them. This does take a little bit of time, but I finished this in about half an hour or 20 minutes. So yeah, so if you want, you can just stick to blue for them, but I choose colorful because color just makes the picture so bright and bold. I'm just adding some are pink, some are red, some are green, just a color bomb. Okay, now it's time for the last bit. Let's do it. And this gives a really pretty texture. So I'm using Fevicol because I don't think so Fevistick will hold that well. Now I'm just sticking them. And look how gorgeous this painting has came out. Just with pencil shavings and leftover paint. Wow, guys. Give it a try. Thank you guys and bye-bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell as well.